another Epicflows Production. Lonewolffilmz.
Give me that.
Yo, dog. I basically one bull and a dog.
Or yourself, man, you finish it.
Keisha, who did they bus stop with yesterday? You think we never know say money?
Yo, Bulla Thief, boy, stop doing a bus up here with that big stone.
Poor man have a chop you up like mince meat like a thief in boy.
Which we wanna talk about?
I don't eat the bull of them and you come try trick with man.
Dog, I lie the man I tell. Yo, dog, take your ratchet out of your pocket.
Me I leave us out the last piece about them, you hear that?
Yo, dog, we have a sharp shooter and I bust ready for bust here for China.
So you just better you give me bull in you that me I tell you, you know.
Which bush that? I'm just shitting now.
Yo, Sean, you have a shoes?
No, you know dog, I what?
Yo, just watch your steps in.
So, yo, dog, you wash off your name before you touch the bulla?
Yeah man, if you man nasty boy youth.
Yo, what is?
Yo, blouse and skirt, I'm stepping a shit in on my youth. Gone on me yard now, dog. As I say, I may leave us out the last bull of them.
I 2 against 1 and you're mad if that happen. Mad.
Yo, dog, you know say you're craving though. Every time we link up for buy bull, you always want to take the bigger piece.
Dog, me bigger, so me take the bigger piece.
That's why I link up with Fabi so we can thief the bulla.
You link up with Fabi thief the bulla them from me. Me link up with Fabi thief the bulla them from me.
What?
You think me never say you pre on my side the bulla them big?
You think me never say you, say me did a pre or your side of the bulla big?
You think me never say you, say me, say me, say you, say me a pre or you a pre say my side the bulla them big?
Another bulla the man I eat.
Yo, Fabi, you remember when you shot a $5 dog for buy a bag juice them? And who make you up with the $5? And me have to share bulla them with.
Yo, who did fella go shop? And me have to share the bulla them with.
Epic, what you talk about? I ask for $5, not even a high five could I get you know. Never see a man mean say it you know. And touch. No bother with it. After you look at the $5 now, you follow me go shop. You travel Miss Booby man dog, my dog bite me up. All know me feel like the dog bite them. What you talk about?
You fling a big stone and bust up here. And you chop him with the machine.
Yeah, fling it and I'm run down and chop him.
Sure you want to do that? You sure you want to stab me? You know who me?
Sure you want to stab yourself? Bombard!
What kind of hobby man thing I go on here, sir?
Me and you.
So hold on. Fabi, and Tasha Fabi. And who thief the bulla them? What do you think you can't trick me? How much was that?
Dude. What you say? How that bulla? What you say? Yo, big up yourself in a touch. See me?
Epic out here.
Epicflows Production.
RadekalEpic.
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaica, you know. Kingston.